Hi everybody! Today I'm going to show you how to make an origami beetle. If you like our video, please give us a like, share and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done it. So we're going to start with the origami white side up. And we're going to fold it in half diagonally. And unfold. Now we're gonna bring this corner to the center line and fold, crease, and do the same for the other side. Now we're going to fold it one more time, but this time not to the center line, but roughly to 1/3 from the center. Okay, and do the same here. Okay, now we're gonna fold this corner again roughly 1/3 from the bottom. Okay, now we're gonna do a pleat fold here. That means we're gonna bring this corner here to the bottom and fold. Then we're gonna fold it again upwards, but leave roughly 1 centimeter. This is called a pleat fold. And then we're gonna do another pleat fold here. So we open this, we bring the corner here to the bottom corner, fold, and then fold it back. Again, and then fold this again. So it looks like this. Now we're gonna fold the side corners to the center. And here as well. And we turn the model over. And now I'm going to cut, like again 1/3 from the top to make the horns. And we'll fold out the tips. To make the horns. And then we're gonna draw the eyes over here. And this is it, it's finished. I hope you found our video interesting, and if you did, please give us a like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also, please take a look at the description below this video to find links to other fun origami models and also to some interesting gift wrapping tutorials. Thank you for watching, see you next time!